Assalamu alaikum, student. Welcome back on my channel. Excuse me. Today we have discussions from very important topic, slope and intercept. This topic I have selected from section 2.3 and from our business mathematics book Budnick. And question number 27 and 28. In this discussion, we will cover question number 27 and 28. You can do yourself. It is similar kind of the questions for 27, like for 27. Okay, the question is here. K C equal to 5 over 9 F minus 100 over 9 is an equation relating to the temperature in Celsius unit to temperature measured in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, what does it mean? There is an equation. Equation is C equal to 5 over 9 F minus 100 over 9. This is an equation and which represent the temperature in Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Okay, and F represent the Fahrenheit scale and C represent the Celsius scale. And similarly, uh, assume the equation is graphed with C measured on vertical axis and F measured on horizontal axis. It is understood. Now, what are our requirements here? Our requirement here is identify the slope and C intercept. Second part is explain the meaning of slope and C intercept. Similarly, solve this equation again for F and rework part A and B if it is plotted on y-axis. What does it mean? Okay, now you have to measure Fahrenheit on y-axis instead of Celsius scale in part C. So it means that if we now the solution of this equation is here. Yeah, and this will be your graph. It is your F Fahrenheit scale and this one is your Celsius scale C. And what equation you have here? We have equation C equal to 5 over 9 F minus 100 over 9. Okay. First of all, if I ask you what is the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, so you can say that there is a positive relationship between Fahrenheit and the Celsius scale. When the Fahrenheit scale increases, Celsius scale also increases. So you can say that there is positive relation, means that Fahrenheit scale increases, temperature in Fahrenheit increases, temperature in Celsius scale also increases. So it is the positive relation between these two variables. And it is understood that the left side of this equation represent the dependent variable and this one represents U independent variable. Okay, means that Celsius scale depends on the Fahrenheit scale here according to this equation. Okay, look at this one further. You need to find out, identify the slope and intercept. Okay, as per our given standard form, y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so compare this equation here. So when we compare this equation, it is slope. Okay, and this one is intercept or y-intercept. Okay, slope and y-intercept. Okay, just find out. Now the first part is First part is according to the intercept, according to the standard form of equation, m is 5/9 and c or y-intercept equal to minus 100/9. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, for example, I ask you, you have to measure, you have to mention this slope and intercept on axis or the coordinate of axis. So what does it mean? Whenever we talk about the negative y-intercept, so it means that we move in this direction, okay? So negative intercept will be here and positive intercept will be here. Clear? So look at this one. Okay, now second one is explain the meaning of slope and c-intercept. You have to meaning of find out the slope and c-intercept. What are the meaning of this slope and c-intercept? Okay. When Fahrenheit scale increases by 1 degree, 1 degree of Fahrenheit, 1 degree of Fahrenheit, what does it mean? Temperature in Celsius scale. Temperature in Celsius scale C increase by 5/9 centidegree. 5/9 centidegree. Clear? You got my point? So it is the one interpretation of slope. What is the first interpretation of the slope is that when the temperature in Fahrenheit scale increase by 1 Fahrenheit degree, the temperature in the Celsius scales C increase by 5/9 centidegree. Clear? Now what about the C intercept here? C intercept, yeah. C intercept means when Fahrenheit degree temperature is 0, the temperature in Celsius scale Celsius degree or scale will be minus 100/9. What does it mean? C equal to 9 5 over 9 f minus 100 over 9, put 0 here, so c equal to minus 100 centidegree. What does it mean? When the Fahrenheit temperature becomes 0, the temperature in centidegree becomes negative, minus 100 over 9 negative centidegree. Clear? So these are two interpretation of part B here. Okay, explain the meaning of slope and c-intercept here. Okay, for example, let's say you have to mark here. Okay, if I ask you, okay, you have to show on the graph this one, so we can show this value on the graph as well here. How? Extend this axis. Okay, randomly I mark here. For example, roughly I am marking here minus 100 over 9. Okay, just put the value of c equal to 0. C equal to 0. What about the f? Find out the value of f here. When we put c equal to 0, so where is our equation is? This is c equal to 0, and in this equation, so 0 equal to 5 over 9 f minus 100 over 9. Solve it for this one. So 100 over 9 equal to 5 over 9 f. Clear? So you can solve it. ये इधर आकर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा and you can cancel out both denominator here. So what about your f? The value of f is here. I am just going to write here. The value of f is here. f will be, ये न्यूमिनेटर में डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. So now 100 over 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 to the 10 yani 20. So value of f will be 20. So I am just going to mark here, for example, it is, let's say, 10 Fahrenheit degree, and I just mark here, this one is, for example, 20 Fahrenheit degree. So you can plot this line in this way. Okay, this is your equation of c equal to 5 over 9 f minus 100 over 9. And what about your slope? Slope normally we represent by this kind of the triangle here. So the slope value is what we have found, 5 over 9 here. Okay, so this is kind of the graph for this question. Is that clear? Now what I did, repeat again. In the first part of this question, first of all, the equation of straight line equation with respect to the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale is given in the question, and they asked us, okay, you have to find out the relationship between these two variables and you have to explain the value of slope and intercept. Okay, so first of all we found the value of slope and value of intercept here. That intercept is called c-intercept. How you found this? How did we find this value? We did find this value with the basic standard form of the linear slope intercept equation, that is y equal to mx plus c here. हमने उसके through find out कर दी. And then we try to find out the value of m, which is here the slope, 5 over 9, and C is intercept here, that is negative in the form minus 100 over 9. Okay. And second important thing, what is the relationship? Although the slope is negative here, but the relationship between Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale is positive. We have discussed why you have the positive slope value is 5 over 9 here. Okay. And how you can interpret this value? In the part B, they asked us, okay, you have to explain the meaning of the slope and C intercept here. We explain that okay, when the Fahrenheit scale temperature increase by 1 Fahrenheit degree, the temperature in the Celsius scale increase by 5 by 9 centigrade according to this slope value. Okay. Now, second important factor is that okay, C intercept. For the C intercept, we have to plug the value of 1, yani for Fahrenheit, you have to put 0 here. We substitute 0 value of F here and found the value of C. The value of C is negative intercept. We got the negative intercept value. And we know that the negative intercept value you have to move in this direction here, negative quadrant of the C. So we mark here the negative value of the intercept, roughly we mark here, and we found the value of x intercept by substituting C equal to 0. हमने find out किया and mark here that it becomes the 20 Fahrenheit degree. वो हमारा fortunately 20 आ गया था f की value, हमने यहाँ mark कर दी and just plot this relation, and this is the slope value. Why you have a straight line? Because we have to plot the straight line, because this is straight line equation here. Okay, it is not kind of the quadratic equation. You got my point? Now the third part of this equation is solve this equation for f and work part A and B if it is plotted on the y-axis. In this part of the C, in part C, he is asking that कि you have to solve this equation for f. F के लिए solve करनी है and measure f on the vertical axis instead of the x-axis. Clear? So now solve this for x, for f. Okay. Yes. C part. Solve for f. Yes. Okay. This is our given condition. C equal to 5 over 9 f minus 100 over 9. The C plus 100 over 9 move here, and you have 5 over 9 f, and multiply this one, it is in the denominator, to multiply both term here, in दोनों term को multiply करेगा, and this term divide both terms. So you can write here कि 9 into C plus 100 over 9 equal to 5f. Similarly, it's become 9C plus, and this 9 multiplied by 100 over 9 equal to 5f. So 9 going to be cancelled out, and now you can divide by this one, to 9 over 5C here plus 100 over 5f. So it's become f equal to, it is a standard form like this one, 9 over 5C plus, and it is 20. This is equation, required equation for f. Okay. Yes. And solve. Now do part A and B here again. Part A and B you have to solve. So part A is what? Okay, explain the relationship. What is the slope here? Slope M is 9 over 5. In the previous example, it is the 5 over 9. It means it is the reciprocal of this slope value. You can compare here. Clear? And what about the intercept? Intercept, F intercept here. F intercept here is 20. What we did in the previous part, we found C intercept. Here we have to find out the F intercept instead of the C intercept. Clear? So F intercept is 20 here. So now we have completed the part A according to this required equation. And the part B is here. Okay, you have to find out the value of what? The value of what was explain the meaning of the slope. C and F means is slope, C intercept. So now you have to explain the F intercept. What does it mean? The F intercept is here when C equal to 0, yani temperature in Celsius scale is 0. What will be the value of F? F is 20 degree Fahrenheit scale. So temperature in Fahrenheit degree will be 20 Fahrenheit degree. Clear? If the temperature in Celsius scale is 0. So results are entirely different. In previous case, we found the negative intercept of C, but here we have the positive intercept of M. Clear? So we have completed this question. Now you can do question number 28. It is the same kind of the questions in your book, but you can do yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.